During Valentine's Day, surprises are everywhere, bringing joy and excitement to those who give and receive them. If you are lucky even to have someone special, it's a beautiful reminder of the importance of showing love and affection, especially on this day. It's not just about the gifts, but the thought and effort that makes the moments unforgettable, whether it's through a simple note, a heartfelt message, or a grand surprise. Valentine's Day is the perfect time to express how much someone truly means to you. Sa araw na ito, isa na namang kababayan natin ang ating isa-surprise. Ang munting sorpresa na ihinahanda natin ay sumbulo ng pagmamahal at pagpapahalaga. Tunay na ang bawat sorpresa ay hindi lamang regalo kundi isang alaala ng pagmamahal. Tara, samahan niyo ako para magbigay ng kasiyahan sa ating kapwa.
Nagbibigay sa'yo, yun ko kung sino. Kada pa. Flower for you on Valentine's Day. Bakit ba may alam on the air for you. And then, sino po? Hindi na lang pag-alam ito. Kasi si Jowa ako, may nagbibigay ng iba. Huwag ko. Huwag ko nito kasi yung nagpadala nito. Huwag ko. Tunay. Sino ko yun? Ganda pa ba? Ay, mabibigay. Hindi sa kung sino ako kapag maligaya sa araw ng mga puso. Ang paborito kong lugar sa mundo ay Luzon. Maaari mong oratan ang kamay ng ilang sandali ngunit hawak ang aking pipis. Pag magpakailanman, umamatsotso. Ang babaan to you for your Thank you so much, by the way, you are from our love surprises. You are here just spreading love and happiness. And all over Qatar. Thank you so much.
The surprise comes from a very loving husband, Jet, and his son, Jiu. With the heartfelt intentions, they planned the special gestures to show how much they care. It's a beautiful reminder of the love and appreciation, a way to make someone feel truly special and cherished. Their thoughtfulness proves that most meaningful gifts come from the heart, creating memories that will last for a lifetime. And for booking and increase, feel free to dial +974 333 58108. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day, everyone.
Even when the water's gone, even when the sky goes black, I'll still be holding on. I'll still be holding on.